Hi everyone, welcome to Snap Vegan. We're eating on the cheap. Doesn't have to kill you. I'm Kathy, and today I'm doing an unboxing. And it is from Penzey's. This is their box. I forget the official name of it, but if you go to their website, it's free. What? Yeah, it's free, except for you have to pay $7.95 shipping to your house. And all you have to do is sign up for their email notifications. And if you do that, it's free. Alright, so before we get started here, I want to thank my friend in Texas, John, for give me a heads up about that and posting it on his website or on his status update. I'd have never known. I'd have never known anything about it. So, you can always unsubscribe from their email list too, just so you know. So, let's get going here. It is American Heart and Soul gift box. And see? That's what it looks like. Ta-da! $7.95 is all this cost me. This value of $34.95. So, thank you, Penzey's. I love their hippie nature. This is their Heart and Soul box. Okay, let's get that. Anything else in here? Let's get this out of the way. Let's see what we have here. Trying to bring it closer. Well, we'll work it out. I think. This. Oh. Let me bring it down a little bit. Daggone it. I just. You know, homemade. Okay. Let's check around here. Aw. Get a really nice, what is this, a pamphlet? Heal the world. Cook dinner tonight. Amen. Soul. The values and spirit which persists, abides, and continues to flavor after what is physical passes. That which transcends generations. Amen. So nice. So to continue to help them do the work they do, be a regular reminder of all the goodness you bring to the world each time you cook. Liking us on Facebook is appreciated, but signing up for our email list is even better. You get tasty recipes, good stories, and a surprisingly large number of free and almost free spices. But on our best days, you also get a good serving of the shared humanity that makes life fun and worthwhile. I have to agree, Penzey's is a pretty cool site. Oh, and look what we got in here. Tasty tips for rib rub. Here we go. Tasty tips for Penzey cinnamon. Florida's seasoned pepper. Italian herb mix. This is what's all in the I won't throw the red thing away. It's in the box, but I'll, you know. Adobo seasoning. Ozark seasoning. Penzey's Now curry. Cajun seasoning. All that's in the box, folks. Let me turn the names around so you can see. Wow, these are big jars, or, you know. Hang on. I've never shopped at Penzey's. Let's see. Ugh. Come on. Cinnamon. Ozark. Okay, so this is what you get in the box. Galena Street chicken and rib rub. You can do the same thing with tofu and tempeh, folks. Italian herb. Ozark style seasoning. The Now curry seasoning. Penzey's cinnamon. Florida seasoned pepper. Adobo. And Cajun. Let's see how big, if you can get them out. I don't want to turn one. My hands are bad. Okay. So this is how big it is. Just so you know. Here's my pointy finger. Oops. I'll put it up that way. That's how big it is. Hi. So, you know, that's a good 0.8 ounces, 22 grams. But the jars are so nice. I like the jars. So, and you get a really nice sole pin that you can put on your lapel. Isn't that sweet? That is so nice. And so, in all of this, okay, here's the tips for the Cajun spice. Of course, we know how to use Cajun spice. But everything that comes in here has really nice tips. And then you can turn it over for a recipe. And that's really nice, I think. And I think the packaging, of course, is beautiful. It's the Heart and Soul, American Heart and Soul box from Penzey's. And you can get it free when you subscribe to their email list. You can always cancel that anytime. But again, let me get my personal stuff out of here. Penzey spices. But as you can see, the box is free. And all you pay is shipping. And so, if you have a Penzey store in your area, you can just walk into their store and they'll give you one. And I guess they change the boxes up from time to time. I don't know. This is my very first experience. So I really think that is a really good way to be introduced to new spices and, you know, expand your horizons and challenge your taste buds and try something new. And I am so grateful to John who shared this news with me because nobody else did. And again, it's a beautiful, beautiful package. Thumbnail. Okay, go check them out. They're not sponsoring me. They give that free to everybody. Go check it out. If you can help a neighbor today, please do so. It's just one random act of kindness can change it. Otherwise dreary day into a joyful one. Let it be you that makes that happen for somebody else. And may you so be blessed in your day by someone else like you. Okay? Have a great day, everybody. Mwah. Talk to you later.